It is official. The next-gen Z car, or the successor for the long-serving 370Z, is in the works. The confirmation from Nissan happened earlier today, although the manner in which the reveal was made may be unusual. Unlike how it is with other Nissan reveals, the carmaker talked about the next Z car by writing off the rumors linking to the death of the Z-moniker. Reports are rife in claiming that the delayed unveiling of the next-gen 370Z is an indication that the Z program is dead and Nissan won't venture into it due to their greater interest in SUVs. Nissan heard these reports and they quickly trashed those claims. For Nissan, these claims are greatly exaggerated as the Z-moniker holds a very special place in the company. Nissan then warned against believing those claims before making it clear that they are already working on the successor for the 370Z.